Your mind is a powerful tool. It holds the key to unlocking your true potential. It can create amazing things from innovative ideas to beautiful works of art. You have dreams, goals, and aspirations. These are the seeds of your future. Your mind can help you achieve them through focus and determination. It all starts with belief. Belief in your abilities and your potential. Believe in yourself and your ability to change. This is the first step towards transformation. We all have a picture of ourselves in our minds. This is our identity, our self-image. It shapes how we see the world and our place in it. It influences our decisions and actions, guiding us towards our goals. But what if this picture could change? What if you could redefine yourself? What if you could become the best version of yourself, the version you've always dreamed of? You have the power to reshape your identity, to become who you truly want to be. This is the power of identity shifting. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about changing how you see yourself and embracing your true potential. When you change your self-perception, you unlock incredible potential. You become unstoppable. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. The power is within you. Identity shifting is like changing your outfit. Just as you select clothes to match the occasion, you can choose aspects of your identity to fit different situations. You put on different clothes for different occasions, each one serving a unique purpose and making a distinct impression. You might wear a suit for a job interview, projecting professionalism and competence. You might wear jeans and a t-shirt for a casual outing, showing a more relaxed and approachable side. Each outfit projects a different image, influencing how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Similarly, identity shifting is about adopting a new mindset, one that aligns with your current goals and aspirations. It's about stepping into a new version of yourself, embracing the qualities and behaviors that support your desired identity. This new version aligns with your goals, helping you stay focused and motivated. It empowers you to take action, to move forward with confidence and determination. It helps you become the person you want to be, achieving the success and fulfillment you seek. Think of it like playing a role in a movie. You immerse yourself in the character, adopting their traits and beliefs. You embody the character's traits and beliefs, making them your own. You act and think like them. Identity shifting is similar, allowing you to transform into the person you aspire to be. You step into the role of the person you want to become, fully embracing your new identity with confidence and clarity. How you see yourself affects how you act. If you see yourself as shy, you might avoid social situations. If you see yourself as confident, you're more likely to take risks. Your self-perception becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you change your self-perception, you change your behavior. If you want to be more confident, start acting confident. Even if you don't feel it at first, act as if you do. Fake it till you make it. As you act in alignment with your desired identity, your beliefs start to shift. You begin to see yourself differently. This leads to further positive actions, creating a cycle of growth. If you're finding this helpful, please like, comment, and share this video to help others on their journey. Welcome to your guide to identity shifting. Ready to embark on your identity shifting journey? This is an exciting and transformative process. Here are some practical steps to guide you along the way. First, identify your desired identity. Take some time to reflect deeply. Who do you want to become? Visualize your future self clearly. What qualities do you want to embody? Be specific and detailed. Next, challenge limiting beliefs. What negative beliefs are holding you back? Identify them clearly. Replace them with empowering ones. Affirmations can be powerful tools. Then, visualize your ideal self. Picture yourself living that life. Imagine yourself as the person you want to be. See it vividly in your mind. Feel the emotions associated with that identity. Let those feelings resonate within you. After that, act as if. Begin to embody those traits in your daily life. Start acting in alignment with your desired identity. Make it a part of your routine. Even small changes can make a big difference. Consistency is key. And finally, surround yourself with support. Seek out positive influences. Connect with people who believe in you and your vision. Their support is invaluable. Remember, identity shifting is a process. It won't happen overnight. It takes time and effort. Stay committed to your journey. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward is a victory. Real people, Real transformations. Countless individuals have used identity shifting to achieve remarkable things. Oprah Winfrey overcame a challenging childhood to become a media mogul. She embraced her voice and empowered others to do the same. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, faced rejection from multiple publishers. But she believed in her story and persevered, becoming a global phenomenon. These individuals demonstrate the transformative power of identity shifting. They dared to dream big and embrace new versions of themselves. Their stories inspire us to do the same. This chapter, embrace your potential. You have the power to create the life you desire. It starts with shifting your identity. Embrace the power within you. Believe in your ability to change. Step into the role of the person you want to become. Act as if, and watch your reality transform. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are limitless. Unlock your potential. Embrace identity shifting. The world is waiting for you to shine. Thank you for watching. Embrace your potential and make your dreams a reality.